we have a laptop today. It's not showing an image. The image is appearing, and in the inside, like there's a backlight issue, and that's why we are not able to see an image on this laptop. So let's open the laptop and try to see what's happening very quickly. So the laptop is a bit new, so we try to avoid some scratches. Yeah, so the laptop came from another computer shop. So the technician was trying to see whether he can fix this issue, but he was unable. So let's see whether we can be able to fix the issue. Yeah, so that is the laptop. So this laptop came from another computer shop. The owner was the technician is telling me he has tried to fix the issue. He has not succeeded in any way. And so now let's try to see what we can do here. Let's see how we can fix the issue. So I'm trying to look on where I can plug another cable here for the charger. That is not going to be a very big issue. We can work with this one here. We can plug this one and bring it here. And let the charger come here. Okay. Let's try to see how we can help this technician. So we put the charger. The charger is here. So let's see how this laptop is behaving. Yeah, the laptop is on. Yeah, I can see the HP logo inside. I don't know whether you guys are able to see that. Let me try to reduce this light. Or maybe let me try to put it off. No, off is not gonna help. Yeah, I can see the... I don't know what I can use to show you. Let me try to put on some light here. Yeah, I can see logo, the HP logo. The laptop is on, but I don't know whether you can be able to see that. So yeah guys, I don't know how I'll be able to show you that, but there, yeah, you can see the laptop is coming on there inside, but there's no light. That's a backlight issue, and that's what we are here to fix. And so let's try to see how we can help that laptop. So let us remove the screen. So I will have to work on the screen. The issue is on the screen. Connect the screen connector here. Connect it. Yeah, let's come with the screen there. So let us check what is wrong with this screen. Yeah, I see here. Try to come and check the back side of the screen motherboard here. There's a motherboard below the screen here. So let us switch to Microscope directly so that you can see component bit by bit. Let's check the microscope. Let's see the component under the microscope. So let's add some light here. Let us reduce some light here so that you'll be able to see. Yeah, so this is a connector here. This is the screen connector. Yeah, that looks perfect to me. As you can see here, we are having some flux. These are flux. I think the other technician was trying to fix the screen, but was not able to fix it. Here are traces that can show us that somebody was trying to repair the screen. I don't know why flux is appearing everywhere. But anyway, let's go directly to checking the components that we're supposed to check in order to fix our issue here. So let me put my meter into beeping mode. Let me come with the probes here and try to check. Yeah, that's a beeping mode. So let's try to check the components here together. So who are the first suspect when this issue of backlight, when you have a backlight issue, we always have the suspects. We have the capacitor, we have the resistors, we have the chips, the step-up chip. Yeah, there's a coil here that steps up the voltage from 19 volts maybe to 25 in some laptops also. But I'll first of all check the fuses. Let me check the fuse first. Yeah, we have a fuse here. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. Yeah, there's so much flux. The person who was working on this laptop was trying to fix one or two issues, and that's why you have so much flux on the laptop. Let's try to clean the here. Let's try to see this fuse clearly. Yeah, now the fuse is clear. As you can see, this fuse here, the fuse should give us a beeping mode when we go there with the meter. Yeah, and I think the fuse is okay. Yeah, the beeping mode is telling us the fuse is okay. So let's go to, yeah, the connector looks good. Flux is still too much here. I don't know why. So let's try to clean. So let's try to do a little more of cleaning here. Yeah, the components look a little bit okay. Okay, I don't see any problem there. It's another area here that need a little bit of cleaning. Some cleanup here. Yeah. The technician had tried to fix the issue. You can see he had tried to check everywhere, tried to change some components here and there. I don't know whether he took back everything the way it was supposed to be. I don't know. Let's do some more cleaning also here. Here I can see components that are not looking very good. Here we might be having an issue here. So try to come with this and clean a bit here. Yeah, I'm not happy with these components here. I think there could be an issue here. Could this be auto damage or what is this? Yeah, I can see a fuse here. Let me see how this fuse is responding. Let's see whether you have a continuity. Let's see. This is the fuse here. So be careful not to touch that. Yeah, this fuse is blown. Yeah, the fuse is out. So what is making this fuse to short? I don't know. I don't know. That one we'll have to check. We will have to check what's the issue with that fuse. The fuse should be giving us a voltage or a continuity, at least a continuity. Let me try the ground and positive and negative. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. So let me try to come on here with a DC. My power supply, let me set the voltage here. Let me try to reduce the amperes. So let me try to see how this is going to happen. Let me try to see whether there's a short somewhere here. Our fuse is here. Yeah, on my power supply, I can see there's a short somewhere. Let's try to put some more alcohol. Let's pour some alcohol here. Let's try to see what could be the issue. Let's see what is getting hot here. Yeah, something is getting very hot here. As you can see, this capacitor here. This cap here is getting very hot. It's drying up the alcohol very quickly, as you can see. You see? It's either this one or this one. I don't know which is which here, but one of those components, one of the ceramic capacitors, they are shorted. So let me try to see that again. Okay, let me guess which one. Let me try to take out this one first and see whether the short is still gonna be there. So let me come with some hot air. Yeah, if you get a shorted fuse or a fuse that is not giving you a beep or the continuity mode, it's not giving you a beep when you put it into the continuity mode, set your multimeter to continuity mode, and that fuse is burned or that fuse is blown out. And a fuse cannot just blow out by itself. A component has to cause that problem. So you have to check which component is causing that problem. I'm thinking about this capacitor here. So let me go ahead and take out this cap here. Yeah, the cap is out. Yeah, the cap is out now. Let me see. Let's try to cool off the board with some alcohol here. So let us try to test whether this capacitor is shorted. It's important we try to know whether this capacitor is shorted. Here is our cap. Let us bring it somewhere we can be able to see it very well. Yeah, that is our cap there. Let's try to see whether the cap is shorted, so that we'll be able to know. Yeah, you still come again, come up with a beeping mode like that. So you come and touch the capacitor both sides. Yeah, and the capacitor is shorted. Yeah, this cap is shorted. Yeah, we got the right guy. So let's try to fix the fuse. Yeah, you still have to fix the fuse, because the fuse, I don't think the fuse is gonna come back to being the way it was before. Let's test it. Yeah, as you can see, the fuse is still burnt, still blown out. There's no continuity here on the fuse. Yeah, we are going to do a jumper. We'll jump the fuse and see whether the screen will come on. So let me grab a jumper here. Try to see whether this fuse will come back to life. Okay. I'll come with some flux. Flux is very important while soldering. So let me get a clear zoom out here. So this is the fuse. Yeah, that is flux. Flux is okay. Okay. Okay, I'll add some more flux here, some more solder. Seems the solder is too little. Don't form a bridge somewhere. A bridge is not good. Here's a bridge that's about to happen. The bridge is gone. A bridge may cause a short. switch. We have achieved. So let's try to cut off that jumper. So I think the fuse now is okay. Let's test it again with a multimeter. So yeah, the fuse is okay. Yeah, let's try to test for short. We don't need a shorted. Yeah, the short is not there anymore. Yeah, there's no short. So now we'll just test the screen and see whether you have fixed that. Yeah, let us return the plastic stuff back. It's supposed to be. So let's come with the laptop. Let's connect back the screen here. So let's see whether the screen is okay now. Let's try to check that one. Let's see whether we have a picture now. Yeah, let's fix a few screws to avoid the screen from falling down. We can put like two in a diagonal way. One here. Okay, can fix the screen as it is. It's not much of a big deal. So let's come up with the charger. Yeah, let's see whether the screen connector is connected properly. You may end up burning the screen connector and destroying the screen completely destruction. So let's come back. Let's see, the screen connector is well connected. Yeah, so let's come with the charger now. Laptop is on. Not yet. So now, yeah, the screen is okay, as you can see. Yeah, now there's light. So before you are having the picture not very clear because there was no backlit, but now as you can see, now the whole picture is here. It's very visible because we have fixed the backlight issue. We have seen the component that was bringing the whole of this problem. And guys, next time when you have a backlit issue, that's how you fix the issue. And that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video.